Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a little challenge for you guys because I think it's quite challenging if we can do a Tapita challenge. So I already create this one is like a mechanical thing because I'm basically a mechanical person. So in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create this one, but before you doing so, if you want to take the challenge, you can download this drawing and then you can create it yourself before or prior you look to my video. I show you to create this. Okay, if you want to take the challenge, you just pause this video and then you create this thing, and then let's compare the result between yours and mine and leave your comment below. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, this is the 3D model that I already created. Okay, first of all, I would like to create the plane from this area and then create a circle with the diameter 1 and then this plane. Okay, I would like to, because this distance is 150, and then I will make this midpoint to snap in this so it will perfectly symmetry, and this one should be, let's see, the 8, and then this one should be 13. Okay, I also want to create this one should be 5, and this also 26, and then 16 for the position. Here 16. Okay, and then this time, and then this one is a tangent from this end to this one is a tangent. Okay, I think it's enough, and then having a sketch. Okay, I create this plane based on this particular surface. So from this one, this is my base sketch. Okay, so the total will be 38, and then 38 from this line to this line. So I just want to extrude that one is 6, and then this one is 29. I'm going to extrude this one, so I choose the two sides. Over here is 29, and then over there is 6. Okay, let's check. Okay, good. Okay, and then I just click OK. I open up my sketch again to do this extrusion here, 45. Okay, and then also this area here, 6. Okay, this is the basic, and then we continue with the sketch in this plane. Okay. Okay, create the intersection all body. Okay, from here to here I will create dimension from top here to this point 11, and then from here to here also 11. I copy this value I just click the dimension, and then parametrically they will follow whatever is here. Maybe 12, so it's also 12. Okay, I create a rip command from here, which is symmetric. Next, and then the thickness should be 6. Okay, you can put the reverse like this and then like this. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, this is the basic part. The base part is already finished, and then we want to create this one here, this one. As you can see, the profile here is finished very quick. And notice that the distance should be 70 from this point, yeah, that one, and 38 from the plane. So I would like to create an offset plane there, minus 38. Okay, and then from this one I create sketch, sorry, and then I project. Okay, I project what's in here. Okay, and then maybe I don't need that one, projection, just this one. Okay, I make it construction, and I also want to create this line. Okay, and then this line here, and I create the angle 45, and then from this line to this line should be 33. Okay, I think it's good enough. And then I just finish sketch. From this point is actually exactly this one, and we continue with the plane along path. This is the path, this is the plane at the end. Okay, and then I create a sketch here. Never mind, just create here, and then I create radius 15, and then let me see, this one, R15, 15, 8. Okay, quicker, yeah, rectangle, and then make a dimension 14, 8. I use this one to be tangent with this one tangent with this one, and then I add a line from here, tangent, from here, tangent. Okay, finish. Okay, and we extrude this one, and this one, and this one. How much it is? 38. Okay, we extrude minus 38, minus 38. Okay, and then for this gap here, 13, I just open my sketch previously and extrude here, and here, and I would like to use this one is minus 13. Okay, but the position is not at the middle, so I choose this from object, and I will select the here as an object, and I use offset 8, so minus 8 should be. Okay, I'm not supposed to be minus 8. supposed to be -8. Never mind, I will check this one. Oh, this one should be not 38 but 29. I make a mistake. 29. Okay, there we go. Right at the middle. Okay, and I will continue with the line. So I will create the mid plane, this plane with this plane, and then I create a sketch from here. Yeah, that one. Intersect this one. Okay, yeah, that's one the line, and also intersect with this one. Okay, and let's connect this with the arc here. Okay, and then this one is tangent, and this one as well as tangent. Okay, okay, can be offset, should be 6. Okay, and then just finish first sketch. We extrude this one. No, it's too much. I don't want all to be extruded. So I think okay, let me check. I think this one make a bit of mistake. I forget to methods. Oh, this one. This one? Yes, this one. I need to give a dimension. Yeah, 17. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This should be the right one, the correct one. So, connect this dot. Connect this dot. Okay. And then extrude with the symmetry. The value should be the same because the value is 14 multiplied by 2, and then I just join. Okay, so but this one, it's happened that there's a gap here. So this is the great thing about Fusion. I just click this face and then click delete. Boom. Yeah, it's nice. This is that I love about Fusion. And then now we also want to create that one. I open my sketch here, and I will project my line here. Okay, so that one should be aligned, and yeah, okay, I will just create somewhere here, and then tangent, make sure it's tangent. This one also tangent with this one. Okay, and we just connect with the line here and here. Okay, finish sketch, and we continue to extrude this one with the symmetry. Total will be 6, and join. Okay, okay, so again just click this one and then delete. Oh, what happened here? I also want to click this one and this one. I just delete. Boom. Nice. Okay, okay, let's continue with the fillet. This is the fillet is the most challenging because it's a lot of the corner and sharp edges here need to be filleted. So I continue with the fillet. This one, and then this one, and this one should be 6. Okay, but eventually this fillet here, there's a problem, because if we increase the radius of the fillet, it somehow that the fillet won't fit with this curve, because it's a radius curve and then match with the straight curve. So we decrease the value a little bit. Okay, 5 still cannot, so maybe 4.5. okay, 4.5. okay, and then continue. Okay, I just choose this one first. It's 3, and then I add another one. Okay, oh, cannot. Okay, wait, let me edit this. So maybe this one is just 4.5. okay, and I add another one here. I still use the 6 for the radius, and let's see how it's work. So here should be 3. Okay, and this one should be 3 here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so this fillet should be as the same value is 6, but this one we make a bit smaller. Okay, continue. So I need to fillet all, maybe this area first with a value of 3. Okay, here's the tips. If you like to know whether the fillet is working or not, you can first, if you create a fillet, this edge, and then you just type the value first prior to select to another edge, so we can see if there is a error. They will show us where is the error. Okay, you just add the selection with the hold down the control key. Okay, this one. Okay, and then let me turn off the sketch so it's not a bit confusing. So let's say this one, just click 3. Oh, it's working. So I add another one, like maybe here. Okay, I add here, I add here. Okay, add another one, add this value here. Okay, and then you can continue with the process. Okay, add here. Okay, still working, it's quite good. Here, add another one, and then add here, add a back. Okay, and then, well, which one? This one. See, if there is an error, so they will indicate the error, and then this is the new update of the Fusion, so they will highlight which one is the error. So because I add this edge, that become an error. Maybe I just add that one first and here first. Okay, and then let me add this one. this one. Okay, and then we continue with this one. So it's working. So it's basically is doing the fillet, create the fillet is quite challenging, because sometimes when you click the wrong sequence, somehow there will error, you will get an error. So you need a lot of like maybe trial and error by doing so. Then I just finish and I click OK. So I think probably all the fillet, oh, this one, I will add another one, 3, and this one, oh, cannot see, there's an error again. So maybe I just want add not simultaneously, so add one more here. Okay, so if I add not simultaneously, I create another fillet, so it's done. Okay, I think the fillet is done, and then we continue with the hole. Here I just create a hole from here. How much the diameter? 19 hole through. This one 14 hole through. Okay, should be 19. And then the position, I can, if you look at the circle here, there is a center point, there's a dot over there. I just snap it to the dot. Okay, so this eventually would be the center point. So the distance here, I make it all because it's a true hole. Okay, I create another one here with the 14 diameter. Okay, there's a dot. Okay, I snap it and then on. Okay, and then this one over here, let me check, 13 by 8. So I create this one hole. The reference should be from here, 13, and then from the bottom. Okay, let's enter. And then from the bottom, sorry, maybe I should, what's the diameter? 9. And then from here, it's supposed to be 8. Okay. Okay. So the distance should be, yeah, is enough. Okay. The last one is continue with the pattern 19 by 42. Create a pattern with the feature, this last feature over here, and then the direction, quantity should be 2, and then 19. Okay, by number, it should be 2, 42, 42, isn't it? Okay, 42. Okay. Okay, I think it's finished our challenge. And if you like to see how this one is supposed to be the right one, so I will create the usually if we have a 3D model, I usually check the volume of this particular 3D model. So in this body, I can click the properties and then I can find out the volume, and then this is the material still, this is the mass. Okay, I think it's finished, and let's see how about yours. And please leave a comment if you have any question, any suggestion. and thank you. Bye bye.